Hello everyone. Been missing you for the last few days. Welcome back to the garden. Today, as you can see, I've got some pots sitting there. Some proven winners pots. I love proven winner plants. You know, they just seem to do better for me. First of all, before I start that, I want to show you the ginkgo in its prime golden glory at the moment. Nice and gold. All right, so Dolce Cherry Truffles. I found these at local nursery, half price. Then at the register, you got to draw for a further discount, and I got another 25% off of that. So these are 1 gallon, I think. Yeah, 1 gallon plants. And I think I paid $8 for them a piece. And again, Dolce Cherry Truffles. For some reason, the nursery that I found them, had already cut them back. So they cut everything. You can see all those stems there where they cut them back. But I just picked them up a couple of days ago, and they're already growing. Look at that. So putting on new growth. But they're not going to look like a whole lot right now. They're kind of small once I get them in the ground. Because the nursery had done that, I don't know, maybe that's just the way they do it. And it's worked for them. But that's where we are at the moment. Dolce Cherry Truffles. Coral bells. Again, like I said, it seems like that's all that the nurseries have left this year are coral bells, and I don't know why. So we'll get these aground. You see I've already got the holes planted. We'll go ahead and put 1/4 to 1/2 cup in each hole. And in the soil that's here, I've got 5 of them to plant. So that'd be 2.5 cups. And I used in this thing to hold about 3, but I don't think I had it completely full. So there you have it. There's my Hori knife that was lost and found again. I am loving these Heuchera. You know. And I'm putting these on the north side of the house, over here where I transplanted these hydrangeas and these hibiscus and this brandywine viburnum. This will all be summer, so this will be some spring flowering, hopefully. We'll get this one in the ground. You can see they also gave me a lot of, looks like a lot of weeds with their plant. All right, there's one. Hope you guys are having a great day. Had a good weekend, I hope. Videos may slow down a little bit here because here we are, second week of November. Although, can you believe I'm still planting? Second week of November? That's kind of cool. Here's a good old ginkgo. But yeah, they may slow down a little because, I don't have, unless I can figure out someone else to shoot videos on during the winter months. Several people asked about my soil. Here in Northeast Ohio, in my neck of the woods, our native soil is clay. And I mean heavy, thick, muddy clay. with shale mixed in with it. So what I do is, like this little section here, I will dig down in the clay 4 to 8, somewhere between 3 and 8 inches. I'll dig that up, get rid of it, and then I'll get this leaf humus from the seed, this compost, and I'll fill that back with that. Plus, I'll mound that up another 4 to 8 inches. So I have like probably 10 inches of depth, somewhere close to a foot of depth of this stuff. In most places, and in places I don't, then I will eventually work that out. I just do it a little bit at a time, because as you can see, this is much easier to plant in. You can see they missed a few leaves on this one. Planting them high, they won't die. Plant them low, they won't grow. And so we're putting these under here on the north side, under these, get me some spring color and stuff. Once the hydrangeas and the hibiscus, all those guys get going. All right, there you have it. They're in the ground. It's been raining. Looks like it's about to rain again any minute, but I may still come and water these in. See, I may have this one way too high. We'll see. There they are, easy peasy. Yeah, this soil does make it a lot easier to plant in. And a little dizzy there from my AFib, from bending over. That's what gets me. Give me a second to stand up straight. All right, guys. I give you another, let you look at it from another little angle here. It's like I said, around the north side, about in the middle of this long wall I've got here. Slowly but surely getting this north bed. Oh, I didn't read anything, didn't read the tags for you on those, did I? Okay, let's get one and read it. So again, part of the Proven Winners Dolce series, cherry truffles. You can see there it says sun, shade, 8 to 10 inches. Spacing 20 to 6 to 30. Hardy in zones 4 to 9. Beautiful bright red, heavenly ruffled, heavily, not heavenly, well, I guess you say heavenly, heavily ruffled leaves for a low mounding habit. In summer, color matures to rich mahogany red. Light pink flowers perfect in sun or shade. Thrives in part shade but will grow in sun or shade. Plant in humus-rich, well-drained soil. Trim back tattered foliage in early spring. Salt tolerant. Pair with Ligularia, Speedwell, Hosta fern, bleeding hearts, hardy geraniums, violets, sedge, foxglove, and foam flower. All right, guys. Proven winners, Dolce Cherry Truffles. And there you have it. They're in the ground. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. I hope you have a great day and a chance to get into your garden. And if not, hopefully this will give you a little bit of a garden feel. Have a good evening. Arrivederci.